Jumping on to the GBPUSD, as we can see, it's all bearish from last few months, and we have finally seen some support from the current levels here, and market is reacting from there. But is this the extreme demand which we can see a turnaround? Maybe no. It still has a lot of potential to the downside, maybe in this or maybe on the lower levels on the higher time frames, which can easily break all these levels before it goes higher. But talking to the short term, jumping onto the hourly time frame, until and unless same scenario, price stays below this level which I'm marking, I think GBPUSD will still remain bearish, and either from current levels, this supply, or maybe from the extreme supply. If market turns out to be more complex, it can still go higher before it gives us another bearish push. So just the market is bearish on GBPUSD, but internally it is showing us bullish price action, higher high, higher lows every time, pushing higher, failing to break the lows. So I'm expecting from the supply levels which I just mentioned, we can see push to the downside. But be aware, we can buy and sell in the market on the daily basis, but the higher time frame scenario is bearish.